Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you there's a new ways to make money online from 5,000 to 10,000, even $15,000 guys. There's a new way to make money selling books online guys. And I'm not talking about low content book like journals, like my notebook. No. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create this in less than 10 minutes and you list it online to sell. Alright. My name is Dara Digital. What we talk about on this channel is how to make money online and every opportunity with it. So without wasting time, let's go now. If you head on to Amazon, you see I put here Sudoku, and you can see here something I've noticed about every book that sells online is they have very legible fonts that people can see. As you know, these days people are on mobile more than on desktop or laptop. All right, so all we have to do, we have to make sure that whatever book we are creating, it has to be legible, what people can see, at first glance. All right, in today's video I'll show you how you can create something like this, very big legible titles and subtitles in this video. All right, like I type here Sudoku, and you can see this is way more competitive right now for Sudoku, the broad niche. But my go-to software is called Publisher Rocket. When you go to Publisher Rocket, you see something of this, and this is the very interface you see. All you have to do is you click on keyword search, then you type Sudoku here. When you type Sudoku, it brings everything like this. As you can see, this software is fantastic, guys. And with this, I can know the keyword I want to rank for. I can know the type of category I want to rank for. I can know also my competitor, what are they doing to make their book to sell, and I should do the same. All right, as you can see here, this is competitive score. This is estimated Amazon search per month, and this one, when you see red, is very competitive. When you see something like yellow, is reasonable search of reasonable number of searches. All right, so it would be wise for me to go and create book on like Sudoku puzzles. All right, because we have so many established self publishers there. All right, and you can see here it is very competitive here, and when I scroll down, all you have to do to get all these numbers is, when you get to this point, is to click on this magnify glass. Then it will provide you with necessary information like average pages, number of competitor, average price, average monthly earnings, estimated Amazon searches per month, competitive score. All right, so when I scroll down, I can see this is Sudoku for kids 8 to 12. All right, and the number of pages is 121, and the number of competitors is less than 1200 guys, which is great, and the price is $7, and they get this keyword amongst these like 1500 in royalty. Then the number of searches are great, 1000 plus, which is very good, and it has low competition. Like I said, this is my go-to software to determine which keyword I will rank for to be on the first page. I'll put the link in the description below. The name is Publisher Rocket. So if I click on this right now, it takes me to all my competitors, right? Who and who is ranking for. These are the books ranking for this word. All right, and you can see from here, this one is daily sales is making a whooping $141. All right, every single day, and monthly is getting like 3,000 guys, 3,000. Likewise, this one, this is getting $25. This is getting 500, 650. As you can see, guys, so I know what to rank for now. I can as well get my subtitle from here, then get my categories right from just single software like this. You can see load more if you still want more books to be loaded here. All right, I can see the categories each of these book is ranking for. All right, I see this is ranking for. All I need to do is do same. All right, and I'll be ranking for the same thing. Whenever anybody tags Sudoku for kids 8 to 12, I am probably going to show up on the first page. All right, without wasting time, let's head on to our software called Affinity Designer. Affinity Designer title has to be legible, so that, because people on Amazon, they just scroll past. All right, it is what catches their attention that will make them pause, then check the interior of your book. Like I used to say on this channel, your book cover is just like an advert. All right, it is what catches your potential customer that will make them pause, then try to check what is inside. What is inside might be very good, great content inside, but if the cover is not pretty done, not pretty done, might lose some potential customers. All right, so how to create this? Like we know that on Amazon, activity book is always 8.5 by 11 inches. So let's go now. When you get to Affinity Designer, all you have to do is you come to this place. Of course, you can design these even online on free vector programs online. All right, like Corel Studio, does this free online software. All right, all you have to do is come to new here. All you have to do when you get here is you see documents unit, put that to inches, then make this to be 8.5 by 11. All right, just hit create. If you want to create artboard is where you have so many pages. All right, but on this very example, it's just to be one page, and this is just like that. Okay, this is going to be our guide. All we have to do right now, this eyedropper, all right, drag it to this to get the color. You can see here, I've gotten the color here. All right, all you have to do is come here, then you click on it. Let's first of all draw something. Draw maybe a rectangle. All right, then you can see I've gotten that already. We have gotten the background already. Then we can create this in no time. All right, like I said, in 5 minutes, this can be done pretty well, because most important thing is if your cover is aesthetically done and it's not carrying the message to your potential customers, you'll be losing sales. So the most important thing, as well as aesthetically done, the title must be legible for mobile users. All right, so all you have to do is here, you can see, you can just big book Sudoku, and from here, like I showed you here, you can know what to rank for. So let's do Sudoku Kids 8 to 12, right? So let's go here now. Just copy this, paste it. Let me just name it Sudoku. All you have to do is you come to this artistic tool, all right? Just double click on everything, then write Sudoku, like that. Okay, all you have to do right now is you say Sudoku for kids, all right? 8 to 12, like we see this, you can write for kids here. All you have to do from here is just you click on the move tool here, then you hold your Alt key on the keyboard, then you drag to duplicate. Okay, let's say for kids, kids, right? Like that. Let's make it that way. Okay, then we know that is ages 8 to 12. All right, so all you have to do right now is let's use this. Okay, all you have to do is you come here, let's draw a rectangle and be simple like that. Okay, let's make the this, I think is yellow. All you have to do is you drag your eyedropper tool again to the yellow part of it to copy the color. It is copied already. Come here, then here you click on it, and here you see it like that. Then you can tweak it a little the way you want it. All right, you can tweak it the way you want. This now depends on your creativity, guys. All right, it could be like that. Then let me move this to make it pretty. This you can lock this so that you don't move. You lock the background here from my right hand side here where you see lock. You lock it here, then it won't be movable. All right, so I want to make sure this is centered. All you have to do is you come to this place called alignment. You make sure it is centered. All right, okay, good. All right, everything now is in the center. All we have to do right now is here is for kids 8 to 12. Here we can put 8 to 12, 8 to 12, maybe years, depending on whatever you want to write. All you have to do is just drag it here like this, and that is done pretty well. Let's move down a little. Okay, fine. As you can see here now, anybody that scroll past this book will be able to see, all right, that this is for Sudoku for kids, or we can even make it this way. Can even make it this way. Let's bring it down. Let's bring it down. Let's make it to be 90. You can come in and make it to be 0 here to make it center this way. Then this way also make it to be 0. Then just bring it down here. Okay, like I said, this will just take you about 5 minutes. If you have been doing this before, it will just take you about 5 minutes to do that. All right, this is pretty well now. It is pretty that anybody on mobile can see. All right, look at this, look at all this. There are some things that is added onto them. This and this is the Sudoku that I will show you how to make it now in 1 to 2 clicks. It is just what I copied here. All I need to do was I just come to place here, then you locate this that you have saved. All right, this that you have saved in your book. Let me locate it and see if I can still find them. I'll be back. All right, this is what I imported just right now. And like I said, if you want to get this, all you have to do is just go file, then you go to place when this is stored in your laptop or desktop, your machine, then it will be import just like this. All right, if you can see from our example, it is added some colors and every other thing. Let me show you this. You can change the color right now. You can see it's getting to this. Okay, you can see that I've changed the color. Then there's this yellow outer shadow there. Let me show you now. What we did is we come in, then we click, make sure this is clicked, then you come to this shadow, outer shadow. You can change the color the way you want. You can change the offset. You can change the radius. All right, as you can see now, this is blurry a little. As you can see, you can change whatever you want from it. All right. Then even the inner shadow, all right, you can make it black depending on what you want. You can see the edges is somehow black, sort of, all right. So you can play around with this, do whatever you like with this, all right. So you can see that, okay. And that is how that is done from our example here. You can see. So all I did was just come here. This, like I said, hold on the Alt key on your keyboard, then drag your mouse to duplicate to 2. All right. Now duplicated right now. All you have to do is just make it very simple. Yes, could be something like this. Let me make this one come a little bit down so that, yes, so you can see here now. This is pretty done in less than 5 minutes, guys. The cover is ready. All right. So, and this, we can add this, then we can add this. All right. This is just medium to hard. You can add anything you want here. Here, let's do, let me copy this. Let's do here, paste. Let's do here. As you can see here now, collection of over 200 Sudoku. I can write that as my subtitle, all right? This, you can write this as a subtitle, 340 easy Sudoku, depending on whatever you want to write, all right? Let me just copy that and put that here. As you can see here, let's make it a cap letter. You come to this where you see character, then just click on this all cap, then everything becomes all cap, all right? Like I said, everything has to be legible. So let me draw this one up. All you have to do right now is your shift key and click on 3 Sudokus. Then you can bring it down a little. Let's move it up that way. Let's do this. Right. This can be, yeah, like that. So this is pretty done well now. You can add whatever effect you want depending on you. All you have to do is just go to a website called pixabay.com. Just download a vector image like maybe handwriting, just look for whatever it is that you can add to your cover and you are pretty done, right? So this, I can copy this now. Like I said, I got this from Pixabay, all right? All I need to do is just copy, then come and paste it, all right? And that's it, all right? I can now write maybe 340 Sudoku or something, okay? I can copy that and I paste it, okay? Just to make fun of this thing. Do it the way you want. But the most important thing is people will know what they are getting into right away from the cover. You can see this is pretty done right now, guys. And all you have to do is you create another one. This is your front page, of course. How you can create another one? It's just you need to come to another page. You save this as PNG first of all, then you create another page, then there you are done. All right. How to make Sudoku in 1 or 2 clicks? Let me show you now. Go to this site called Activity Book Mastery. Let me show you. All right, this is a software called Activity Book Mastery. It's a paid tool. Actually, it's a paid tool, but it's a one-time payment of $37. And you can create a lot of activity books for your potential customers, right? And you can see from it, like we know here is Sudoku for kids. You can see these tic-tac-toe, word scram, and puzzles, and so many. Like I always say here, you create something like this, activity book for kids, something like this, all right? It won't be Sudoku alone. From here now, you can see there's Sudoku there. There is, this is plainly Sudoku, but this we have mazes, we have word search, we have tic-tac-toe, we have word scram, and more, all right? And if you come here now, you can create that in just one click. If you come to mazes here, right, you can just 1 to 2 click. So you can see mazes here. All you have to do right now, you can enter between 1 to 50 in quantity here, and you can create all. Okay, you can from this quad maze, you can create all these. Then if you come to Sudoku here, see paper games. If you come to we have word search, we have Sudoku and tic-tac-toe, just as we have here, all right? And this book is making money, guys. You can see every month is going home with around 3,000 US dollars, all right? So if you create that and you rank for the same keyword, why not? You'll be making sales, right? You can see word search here, you can see Sudoku here, okay? All you have to do is you come to this level then you change it to whatever you need, easy, medium, hard, or mixed, whatever it is. Then you can just, the quantity is between 1 to 200. If it is medium, whatever it is, then you can play around with this. Then you just click go. Then you get your Sudoku in just one click, guys. I'll put the link in the description below, activity book mastery, where you can get all these just for between 1 to 2 clicks. All right, I hope you have found value in this video. If you have found value, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I give a video like this, YouTube will notify you. And thank you guys for staying tuned, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.